Thank you for joining us today on another installment of Frost & Sullivan's exciting podcast series, highlighting key disruptive technologies, growth opportunities, economic trends, new business models, industry convergence, emerging geographies, and much more. I am Arun Ramesh, team leader with Visionary Science Research Team. We'll be taking about opportunities and challenges in the global crop protection market that highlights macroeconomic factors that determine the necessity for product innovations, focus on innovations across different types of pesticides that will record highest growth, primary consumer factors that will contribute to the overall growth and growth mix in the crop protection market across different crops, and finally, what will be the future of crop protection market. In this podcast, global growth opportunities in crop protection or pesticides market are explored in detail with emphasis on key growth factors across global and regional markets, market trends, technologies, product innovations, and competitive landscape. The global crop protection market was valued at €55 billion in 2018 and is forecasted to reach €76 billion by 2023, growing at a compounded annual growth rate of 6.6%. Synthetic and biopesticide product segments contributed to approximately 90% and 10% respectively in the year 2018. Synthetic pesticides are increasingly being scrutinized by regulatory authorities for their toxic impact in the environment, carcinogenic activity, and harmful effects on other biological species such as insects and aquatic organisms. This is a continuous threat to synthetic pesticides. However, increasing use of biopesticides in agricultural production and inclusion of biopesticides used in rotation with synthetic pesticides ensures residue-free food and is expected to replace synthetic pesticides in the market. The global crop protection industry has undergone a subversive change in the recent past with major players like Bayer, Syngenta, Dow DuPont, BASF, FMC Corporation, together capturing 70% of the market share. The global market participants pattern will remain relatively concentrated and stable. However, multinational companies and small and medium enterprises focusing on novel frontier areas are key to win. Changing laws and regulations will continue to affect the industry pattern. Policies enacted by the European Union will see an impact on the global crop protection market. Regional government initiatives on banning pesticides that cause risk to humans is on the rise, with increasing awareness on products with pesticide residues. Support for organic farming practices in the US and developing nations will boost the use of biopesticides. Thus, pressure by regional governments on sustainability and increasing awareness among end consumers are witnessed to be vital factors that will propel the need for effective and eco-friendly pesticides. Adoption of integrated pest management (IPM), which is an ecological approach to crop production and protection that combines different management strategies and practices to grow healthy crops and minimize the use of pesticides, is gaining prominence across countries globally. Pesticide manufacturers' focus on digital tools is expected to offer better agronomic support and guidance to farmers. The year 2018 saw significant product developments in herbicides and insecticides of the synthetic pesticides category, and biofungicides and bioinsecticides in the biopesticides category. Use of composite biopesticides, deployment of recombinant DNA technology to enhance efficacy of biopesticides, and nano-engineered particulate coatings are key concepts to be looked upon in the future. On that note, I hope you have enjoyed this session. Please join us for future podcasts and become a member of Frost & Sullivan's Leadership Council by emailing us at digital@frost.com. Thank you for your time.